No, don't.
Look at how big he is.
He's like so big. Like, big, big. He's a big.
Lunch cakes. I could have recorded a video for YouTube.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at this bit.
Posing.
Pose. He's posing. He posed. No, he doesn't want to be on video.
Giant feathers, giant legs,
Giant tail.
tongue. Look at his tongue.
Poops a lot.
What do you expect? Giant nose.
Don't you see that?
His giant tongue.
Oh man, there's a little plate. Yeah, so that's what that bird. Another bird.
Pikachu.
Pikachu's. Pikachu.
Those are all birds.
Look at these.
East Africa. Ooh,
Yeah.
exotic.
Look at it. It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you videoing me? Hey, I'm gonna pick at you. It has sharp.
Their beak is really sharp.
I know.
Probably not the best guy to touch.
Yeah. Its eyes are yellow. Like, here are the small birds for $12.
That's right.
Oh, these are so
I just gotta speed around and
I think if we were getting one of these, they'd called be Speedy. Speedy. Look at these birds. That's a female. Let's go to the next bird.
Painted on. This looks like it was painted on.
These birds are so cool.
Hey bird. Hey birdie. Hey birdie.
Don't touch them. Okay, let's go on to the big ones.
But they're
These ones are quiet, but they're super tough. They're tough. I'm not letting one guy crack the camera. It's so fun. Look at that one. Look at that one. Ew. Let's go to the next one. These are other ones. Stuff for the bird.
It's a brush for the bird to clean it.
Yeah, let's go on to the next bird. Here is feed and toys. Let's go.
Containers.
Yeah, these are water containers, feed containers, and
Yeah, these ones are very small.
these ones are, I think, are feed
Food containers.
They're dirty.
Yeah.
Look at these.
Let's go. Those are the medicine. That's the bird medicine.
Oh, and look at these, Speedy.
Yeah.
This. Look at these birds. Pretty. Big, humongous cage. And the birds. I don't see numbers.
Okay, so when we either go to the Pittsburgh show, or she's going to research this online, she's going to look up behind the cage, like do a full market garage sale.
That's the way to do it. And then buy your
And, and other stuff. Random.
Really?
Toucan, birdie, bird. Artworks of the bird. I like this one. Other random stuff like hatching birds, bird and trophies, cages and more birds. This is a bird fair. More stuff. Big long ropes and types of birds. More of these birds. Look at their cute little Pikachu faces. That one's pecking on the other bird.
Pikachu.
I wish I was a bird.
Pikachu.
I wish- Pikachu! Random stuff! Look at these things. Look at these things. More random stuff. A laptop. Ooh, look at that. Big cage again.
This is the macaque cage.
Look at these stuff. Look at that bird. Come on, focus. Focus on the camera. Focus on me. Focus on me. Focus on me. Their poop smells bad. Other random stuff. Random. Cage. That's it for chinchillas, mouses, and more. Look at these. There's more random stuff. Man, I'm getting hot. Little birdie stuff. Bird. More random bird things. Medicine. Bird. Well, Mom told you. It's so just button the camera. Look at our medicines. More. And even more. Look at all the stuff.
Yes, the bird's on. Now dance, bird. Dance.
Dance, Zeb.
Dance, I saw.
Look at those birds.
I want to hold one.
You can.
Yeah, put that
My
on the post.
babies.
In fact,
Take home. We're going to go see the newborns. Sorry about loud noises. This is a bird fair, so don't complain. Look at these. Look at that. Oh my God. That's a mother. These are new. Where? That's it for the video. Bye.